In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok account to a business or a personal account. The creator account, however, has been removed from TikTok and you no longer can switch to a creator account. But you can easily do it between personal and business. So if you are a personal account, what you can do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the 3 lines on the top right and then head over to settings and privacy. From this section, all you need to do is tap on accounts on the top, and here you'll have an option of switch to business account. You can tap on it and it's going to give you a few details about being a business account. You can take a look at these and tap on next, and you can choose any category that your business has. Now if you're not a business, just a creator, you can choose media and entertainment, or you can also choose others. Now you can tap on next, and here you can add in your business email. For now, I'm going to tap on skip. Now the cool feature of a business account is that you can add in a intro video of yourself or your business that you have and let others know what your business exactly is. If you want to create a video, you can tap on create now, but for now I'm going to choose maybe later. And there you go, your business account has now been created and you can do all sorts of things with it. Now to switch back to a personal account, you tap on the 3 lines on the top right and tap on settings and privacy. It's the same process. You tap on accounts again and you just need to tap on switch to personal account. Now it's going to show you the things that will be removed after you switch it. You can, if you agree, you can tap on switch anyway, and there you go. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, also make sure to turn on that notification. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.